everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Upasana Taneja. So now we have a question here today that we are given that 2 raised to power under root of x is equal to 16 raised to power of x, right? So whenever we see this, we should observe it. We know that 16 is what? 16 is 2 raised to power 4, right or not? Right? Okay. So, and it will always be easy if I can have the same basis. Here in left hand side we have base 2, right? And right hand side base is 16. So if I write 16 as 2 raised to power 4, right? And then we have raised to power x. Okay, now we'll apply an exponent rule that says that a raised to power b, and if you have bracket here and then raised to power c, it is equal to a raised to power bc. That means you just multiply the powers, right? But you should always have a bracket here. Okay, but when you have a raised to power b raised to power c without the bracket, then you cannot multiply the powers here. Okay, always remember, so when you have the brackets, then you do it like that. And here we have bracket, right? So we will write it as 2 raised to power under root x is equal to 2 raised to power 4x, right? And for this type of cases, I have videos on my channel. Okay, now here if we see, base is same, base is 2 here, base is 2 here, right or not? Right. And whenever the base is same, always equate the powers, right? So I will equate the powers. This implies us that under root x is equal to 4x, right? So what if I divide both sides by under root of x, right? So left hand side would become 1, right? And right hand side which will become 4 times under root x. As we know that x is equal to under root x times under root x, right? And here as well, you know the reason that under root x is x raised to power 1 by 2, right? So if you multiply these terms, you will add the power. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 will become 1. So x can be written as this, right? So I will just cancel out one of the root x with root x and I will get root x in the numerator, right? Okay, so dividing both sides with 4, we get, I will write under root x on left hand side now. Under root x is equal to 1 by 4. But we need to find out the value of x. So we will square both sides. This will be equal to x is equal to 1 by 16, right? So I hope you understood this. This was very easy. If you like it, do subscribe to my channel and visit my channel for more such questions. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you in next video.